To begin, check that your installation kit has come with all the necessary parts. Your banner, 2 support poles with the bottom end labeled, 2 anchor ropes, 4 zip ties, and 6 yard stakes. Each pole has 5 pre-drilled holes, 2 at the top, 2 partway down the pole, and 1 at the bottom. You will also need a hammer or mallet. It is recommended that 2 people set up the banner, but it can be done by just 1 person. Start by unrolling your banner face up where you plan to display it, and place a support pole on each end of the banner. Thread an anchor rope through the top holes of the support pole, and pull the rope through so the ends are even. Repeat for the second support pole. Next, insert a zip tie through the top holes of a support pole and through one of the top grommets of the banner, and fasten the zip tie by threading the flat end through the square notch until the zip tie is secure. Repeat for the second support pole and second top grommet. Next, tie each end of one of the ropes to a yardstake, making sure the ends stay even. Repeat for the second anchor rope. Then hold one of the support poles upright and stretch the anchor ropes in a V shape. Push both yardstakes into the ground until secured, using a hammer or mallet if necessary. Repeat for the second anchor rope. If needed, adjust the anchor ropes until they're able to hold both support poles upright and keep the banner from sagging. Next, insert a zip tie through the lower mid holes of a support pole and through one of the bottom grommets of the banner, and fasten the zip tie by threading the flat end through the square notch until the zip tie is secure. Repeat for the second support pole and second bottom grommet. Lastly, insert the long end of a yardstake through the bottom hole of the support pole, out the base and into the ground. Gently hammer the yardstake into the ground until secured. Repeat for the second support pole. Congratulations to your graduate, and thank you for purchasing your banner with WestCamp.